How do I bypass the low battery alarm on my ADT security system?
Hello, in today's video, we will be walking you through the process of bypassing the low battery alarm on your ADT security system. This can be especially helpful when you can't immediately replace the battery, but remember, it is always advisable to replace a low battery as soon as possible to ensure your security system works optimally at all times.
Why is the low battery alarm going off?
Firstly, it's important to understand why the low battery alarm is going off. It's a warning indicator that your ADT security system's battery level is low and needs replacing. It's designed to give you ample time to replace the battery before the system becomes non-operational. Bypassing this warning will not make your system more efficient, but it can give you some quiet time until you replace the battery.
How do I acknowledge the low battery alert?
The ADT system provides an option to acknowledge the alert, which will silence the warning until the next time the system is armed or disarmed. Here are the steps. 1. On the keypad, press the Status button. 2. Enter your security code. 3. The system should acknowledge the low battery alert, and the warning should stop for the time being.
Can I bypass the alarm completely?
While acknowledging the alert can give you temporary respite, it doesn't bypass the alarm completely. To do this, you might have to change the system's configuration. However, this is not recommended as it will leave your system vulnerable due to low power. Security systems should always be fully powered to function effectively.
What's the best solution?
The best solution to a low battery alarm is not to bypass it, but to replace the battery. Most ADT systems use a 12-volt sealed lead-acid battery, which can be easily purchased online or at a local store. Replacing it is a simple procedure. 1. Turn off the power to your security system. 2. Open the battery compartment and remove the old battery. 3. Insert the new battery and close the compartment. 4. Turn the power back on and check if the low battery alert has cleared. We hope this guide has been helpful in understanding why the low battery alarm on your ADT security system is going off, and what steps you can take to silence it. Remember, while it can be annoying, this alarm is crucial for the optimal functioning of your system. It's always better to replace a low battery promptly rather than bypassing the warning. Stay safe and secure.